right, so got some help here.
Made it.
Yeah, this is girl Steph. Regular Steph wasn't here, so we got girl Steph. Anyway, day 3, and can you believe it? It's up my wall, covered it with whatever this is.
It's just pure mindless vandalism.
Couple more tags. Now, this one's much nicer than the other one, so, you know, at the end of the day, pretty frustrating, but I'm gonna get these covered, and hello and welcome back. Welcome back.
Yeah, you fucking rule. Fucking rule.
Today, we are getting the lovely chance to paint in the hottest, I mean the hottest art market in the world. That's right, you guessed it, Wynwood, Miami. So, I got really lucky to paint this big monster behind me, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Let's go. Look at all of that terrible doodles. What am I gonna do with all that? How could this possibly turn into artwork? Huh. I guess we'll just have to see. All right, so today it is day 2. And now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and get some lines up. I've got these doodles up and they look kind of a mess, but I promise we're gonna make it look sharp. So let's get into it. All right, so I've got my paint all laid out now. Finally, is crazy to believe how much goes into this. And as you can see, this is in all the colors, but it's gonna be bright. So, you probably don't know it, but I've got my first lines down, and that's a hand, okay? It's gonna be better shaped and everything. I'm not really overly focused on it, just getting the outline in so we can get that fill in and make that buttery smooth.
A few moments later.
Hey, so got the first lines in. That looks like a hand to me, for the most part. Now to get over here to this one. Okay, so. What happened? We got hands. So I used 10 cans of white to try to fill up this white space back here. And no matter how it looks to you right now, it's really not super white. So I'm gonna have to get really creative about how I'm going to get funky back here. Not gonna tell you guys about that yet because I don't know if it's going to work. So let's get started. In the meantime, I'm gonna go paint the ends, put the outlines on the ends, and see how it goes. All right, so it's raining while I'm painting this, and it's getting really wet, but Let's see if I can finish at least this part of it. So, outlines are mostly done, but I ran out of my can, so don't litter. Ah!
You want to know why I pulled you over? Littering.
All right, so got some help here.
Made it.
Yeah, this is girl Steph. Regular Steph wasn't here, so we got girl Steph. Anyway, day 3, and can you believe it? This is crazy. You get here and people just totally destroy all your hard work, especially this one right here. I just wonder, what was they thinking? It looks better with you there, though. Much better with you there. So it seems like I worked Steph too hard.
Oh, no.
And now she's, you know, sitting in the car. I'm really messed up about this. I'm sorry, Steph. She wasn't expecting that. I know she wasn't expecting that. Hi. So today I've got a bunch of stuff I need to do. I've got some outlining done. I've got some coloring, some fading, a little bit of everything done. But I've really got to go ahead and crank out some of this because I've got less than a week to finish the whole other side, and then probably another 2 days to finish the 2 corners. So wish me luck, and let's get to it.
Smorgasbord, Miami. Seems like it might be a good time.